A very good evening to you and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. The Bank of Jamaica says it will start its new foreign exchange trading regime on July 26, but that will follow a pilot of the system which is set to begin tomorrow. The new mechanism is a system in which a central bank will start auctioning foreign exchange to authorized dealers. The system, which has been dubbed BFEXIT from its acronym, the BOJ Foreign Exchange Intervention and Trading Tool, will see the central bank announcing up to 4 weeks ahead the quantity of foreign exchange it intends to sell in the market. The auction will take place on Wednesdays.
We're hoping to make our market more attractive, more valuable to the people who use it, which is everybody who sells dollars and everybody who buys dollars. So it's pretty much the whole of Jamaica. Okay? There needs to be a better performance from the market, and the key people who have to perform better essentially are the authorized dealers and cambios together with the Bank of Jamaica, because we sit in the middle, these three sets of entities, okay, and everybody else in the public intersects with them, and we think we can actually improve their experience.
The new system will not affect the freedom with which the public purchases or sells foreign exchange. It will come with the Bank of Jamaica starting to announce the exchange rate at midday, in addition to the regular end-of-day release. In the meantime, the US dollar continues to lose strength, ending lower for an 11th trading day, as a glut of that currency continues to influence the exchange rate. At the end of the day, the US dollar was being sold for $128.84, the lowest it has been since April 18. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $98.41. The pound sterling sells for $162.95, while the euro is going for $145.09. And the Bank of Jamaica says come July 1, the interest rate it will use to send signals to the market will be the rate it pays on overnight deposits held by deposit-taking institutions. That rate is currently 3.75%. It says the change is being made to strengthen the relationship between the rates it sets and the rate consumers get when they borrow money from financial institutions. It is hoping that this change will help it better influence the rate of inflation. Stocks ended mostly higher today, leading the main JSE market index up more than 818 points, while the junior market index gained more than 23. The stocks which posted gains for their investors included Access Financial, Derrimon Trading, Jamaica Brawlers, Main Event Entertainment, Paramount Trading, and T-Tech. On the losing end were AMG Packaging and Paper, Epley, JMB Group, Lasco Distributors, Proven Investments, and Supreme Ventures. And that's the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Good evening.